Hey, I'm Tara.
I'm Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff, a show in which we try stuff for the first time. And today is a Hack-A-Thon day.
Hack-A-Thon.
Today's is going to be very food-centric. We found a bunch of cooking hacks, and most of our viewers are probably better at this and know all these anyway, so we're just wasting our time. We're learning something new today.
All right, let's get cracking.
So we're just gonna dive right into this. Okay, this first one is fast peeling garlic. It's supposed to be a minute, whole garlic. Use your hand or a plate. Go ahead and smash that down.
Got it. All right.
Smashy it. Yeah,
Okay,
do that.
that's it.
Do that. Smash
do
it.
exactly that.
Now, supposed to be able to take the cloves,
Okay.
put them in that mason jar. I'm moving fast.
You got a minute. You got a minute.
In there. Okay.
Minute to win it. Okay.
Put the lid on.
All right.
And shake.
Okay.
All right. Dump it out.
Okay.
That didn't work.
Okay, somewhat worked. Throw these back in there.
Winchester, why are you here? Okay, well that one's done.
Oh. Quickly peeled garlic, so like you peel off this part. And then you put these under there and crush that.
That's not what the first picture, the other one did.
Oh, okay.
But
What
it's
if-
working. Well, you want to try to crush these?
Sure. Let's see what happens.
Winchester, are you going to stay here the whole time? I mean, every time we get a little... Oh, that would...
Yeah.
I mean,
Okay.
kinda. Do you want
Okay.
to try? I have a second one we can try.
Yeah.
again.
Let's start over.
On your mark, get set, go.
Ah, the pressure's on. It's like the Olympic Games of garlic peeling. Okay. Go. Crazy. All right.
Everybody
Into the jar. Into the jar.
Shake. All right.
Okay.
See what we got going on here. I mean, this guy's pretty close. That guy's done. Okay.
Okay. Like this one was really
Yeah, no,
tight.
that one's
That's
not
not done. That one's
This one, just a little bit of effort. This works.
like it's not blowing my mind, but it does make this part easier. I'm not gonna say it's a fail.
It's definitely not a fail. Look, all this garlic's peeled and it's only
It's
been
peeled?
10 minutes.
True. Only 10, which is great for us. Okay.
We're gonna set this aside because we need this for a later recipe.
Uh-huh.
And moving on to the next one. This next one is specifically on the ones I've seen for russet potatoes. I did buy also some gold potatoes because I want to see if it works on multiple types of potatoes. Anyway, it's an easy way to peel them. Do a slice all around the center and then boil them with the skins on. And then after they're done, you should be able to just peel it straight off.
Oh.
So what I'm going to do is just cut a ring around the center. It doesn't say anything about depth, all the way around through the skin. So this should be all we need to do for each of them.
If this works, it's genius.
So we need to put these in a pot of water and boil them.
Let's go.
It's supposed to just slide off of here, but mine's not really sliding.
Is yours not sliding?
No, some of them did.
Oh.
Like, it's like halvesies.
Yeah. Oh.
I need to. Oh, that's hot! I say nay, good sir.
Yeah.
I mean, that did it. Like, there, it's done.
I'm underwhelmed. Ooh.
You see that one?
That worked really well.
Or maybe I just needed a nope.
That worked. Ish.
Yes, underwhelmed is a good word. I need to
Yeah,
put all the
underwhelmed.
skin back in.
All right. Let's, next thing.
Here is a next hack, is that you spray vegetable oil or cooking spray or whatever onto your grater before you grate your cheese, and it doesn't stick and it's easier to clean up afterwards. Wow, that's a wonderful sprayer.
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the inside.
Yeah. That's always where I have the hardest time cleaning.
Grate some cheese.
Yes, ma'am.
What's it look like? Does it look like it's
The same.
Looks exactly the freaking same.
Oh yeah, it is gonna come off easier.
Yeah.
I mean, it's still gonna get on there.
Well, yeah.
But when you scrub it, it's not gonna be so rubby.
Don't lose a finger. How much cheese do I need?
Whatever the recipe says for cheese,
There's no recipe.
you should have more.
Okay, now let's try to clean this and see what happens.
We'll get back to you in 1 second. That's That's a thing.
That one actually worked. I like that.
I like that. That actually, I'm dripping everywhere, but that actually was, I think, worthwhile doing because that was
Yeah.
a lot easier to clean.
And then I just wonder if it like does affect the flavor of my cheese or anything. It just tastes like cheese. Yum, 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 yum.
Oh, okay.
Yum. More cheese!
Next thing.
Okay, next up is, we got 2 different egg hacks. The first one though is supposed to be able to tell if your eggs are fresh by floating them in water, which I had never heard of before, but I'm sure you already knew. What's supposed to happen is if they're fresh, they sink to the bottom.
Okay.
And they lay on their side. And they stand up, is the next thing they do.
Okay.
They float a little bit and then they float all the way to the top. If they're all the way to the top, don't eat those eggs.
That's so exciting.
These are the fresh eggs. These are ones I bought yesterday. So these should sink to the bottom and stay there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put one in.
Do it.
what happens.
Do it.
Okay?
Okay.
That's what an egg is supposed to do. It's supposed to go to the bottom and lay there. Let's go ahead and... Okay. That's
Okay.
what's supposed to happen. Okay, ready?
Yes.
Let's see what this guy does.
Let's do this.
It stands up. So they're still edible, but they're not... That's pretty amazing.
That's amazing.
I thought for sure these guys were gonna float.
Well, I didn't think it was gonna do anything. I am agog.
But I don't know how much older these eggs have to be to actually float. How long have you had eggs in your fridge if they're floating? Don't float your eggs.
Good job. That is a really awesome hack you found. I love that. That's incredible.
Okay, these are the old ones.
That's a hack.
Up next, we're going to try a different method for boiling your eggs that is supposed to make them easier to peel. Like you already steam your eggs because it makes them easier to peel.
I'm a big proponent of steaming eggs, but what do I know about cooking? Pretty much nothing.
So there's a method where you add baking soda to the boiling water, and that's supposed to make them easier to peel once they're cooked. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a control, and then we're gonna do another set with the baking soda. So we got some eggs to cook. There's a lot of debate on the internet of like the proper way to cook your egg, boil your egg, and having to do with whether you start with cold water or hot water. But for what we're doing with trying to make the easiest peel one, what I've seen, they peel easier when you start with hot water. So we're gonna boil it first and then add the eggs instead of starting with cold water. But I don't know, like I said, I don't ever boil eggs. And the internet has many opinions on it, just like cleaning a skillet, so.
Yeah, the internet has lots of opinions on eggs. It's very strange.
I'm sure you also have a lot of opinions on eggs.
Tell us your opinions on
I'm
eggs.
sure you will. These are the control. These are the ones with the baking soda. So let's start by trying to crack these guys and see how hard.
Okay.
See how hard the control is to peel. I'm not a big. I'm already not happy with peeling this egg.
Yeah, so far.
It's making me miserable.
This one's not so bad.
Just
Wow, that's actually the easiest I've ever peeled a hard-boiled egg, period.
Well, we did use the little bit older ones. They're supposed to be easier. Yep, that was not that hard.
Yeah, and
that's a good clean one too.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have any real chips. I don't think this could possibly get easier. Okay, let's try the ones with the baking soda.
Got it.
Can't imagine that that's going to be easier than that.
I mean, unless it ejects itself out of the shell.
That is super easy though.
Okay, that came out in one big whomp. My whole worldview on hard-boiling eggs just shifted.
There we go. Oh my God. Okay, that's all done. That's all done. That was so easy. That was 5 minutes.
And we were chatting.
Mind blown.
I don't know what to do anymore.
Next up, corn. Don't you hate shucking corn?
Don't you hate the process of pulling all those little hairs out of corn?
Yes. This next one, all you do is you microwave your corn for 4 minutes, and then you cut off the end, and you pull it off, and all the silk is gone.
Magic.
And it's cooked, and you have corn on the cob.
Let's find out.
Now what we're supposed to do is cut the end off.
Okay.
And you're supposed to be able to kind of like just pull it off there. Do you want to try it?
Yeah. Right here?
Yeah.
That good? Okay. Oh. Yes. Hot. Everything's hot. Haha.
So that's not quite working out.
Nope.
Okay.
Okay.
See now, if you don't pull the right way, I think you'll end up with the silks then.
Oh, you got like, yeah.
Okay, let's try the next one. Come on, corn. Get out of there.
Like a push pop.
Oh, hey.
Whoa! All
Wow.
right.
That's pretty impressive.
You got it.
Oh, it's so hot. Hot. Oh my God. Okay, so
And then-
now pinch from down here and pull this guy.
Get a little twisty twist, kind of break that bond.
Holy Majeeza! That's freaking amazing.
That's amazing.
That's freaking amazing.
That is a hack.
That totally works. But you're getting it?
Okay. Okay. Ooh, ha, ha, ha.
It's really hot.
Things are hot. Things are hot. Ha ha!
Haha! You did it again too. See, no silkies. That's freaking awesome.
That's amazing.
Last up, how often do you go to cook something and it says softened butter
Yes.
and you didn't take it out of your fridge and now what are you going to do?
Pretty much every time I cook.
So I end up like, trying to put it in my microwave for like half a second and then I always overdo it.
You're right.
This trick is to, you take your stick of butter, put hot water in it, put it in the microwave, then you dump out that water and then you put it over it and it heats it up without melting it.
I see how that logically makes so much sense.
Let's see if it works.
I'm gonna do a minute-long dance. I'm gonna do the floss thing the kids do.
Wait, teach it to me.
Through your hips.
Through my hips.
Out, slide, through your hips.
That doesn't look like the floss thing at all to me.
Like once you get the move going.
Then you have to like you switch it up. No, God, I messed up. Okay, I just dumped out that hot water. Guys, this glass was hot.
Yeah.
I put it over there. And now I wait and see if it melts. No, look at that bubble coming up. I don't know how long you're supposed to do this.
It's sweating. Okay, let's do it.
Oh yeah. It's much softer. Like, I mean, it's still cool.
Yeah.
But like, yeah, I definitely could cut through that. I think
It's
you need a
still
little
hot?
bit.
Yeah.
And it's not melted.
But it's softened.
I think it works, guys.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
the thing.
Okay, so we had some real big fails. We had some real successes.
Really exciting moments.
There were highs and lows,
Worlds were changed. Minds were bent.
but also we are going to make another video where we make Scotch eggs for the first time with our hard-boiled eggs. So we'll put a link up in here someplace when we do that.
When that happens, later.
Uh-huh.
So until then, I'm Tara.
I am Natalie.
And this is Natalie and Tara Try Stuff. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you like what we're doing. And comment below with stuff that you think we should try, especially hacks. You know any hacks?
Incredible.
Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.